Hey guys, welcome back. Well, since the COVID pandemic still rages on, yep, web conferencing apps are probably the best and safest way to connect with friends and family. Let's take a quick look at the top 5. First up, this was my favorite till Google brought back a time limit. Thanks, Google. Google Meet. It's free with the Gmail account. This one here is very easy to use. I haven't had any issues with this whatsoever. So if you're looking for a quick, free, and easy way to connect with friends and family, and if you have a Gmail account, this one is very easy to use. Keep in mind that there is a 1-hour time limit. Boo, Google. All right, next up will have to be Streamyard. I haven't used this in a while, but since Google Meet has a time limit, this may be my go-to one right now. This one here, you can connect up to 6 people. And there is a time limit, but it's only 20 hours per month. So yeah, so if you do one web conferencing or one show a week of an hour or two, that's plenty of time. So you should consider StreamYard. Okay, let's see here. Next up, it'll be the ubiquitous Skype. I was using this for a while for the shows we did with singer Stephanie Forian. Last time I checked, there is no time limit on this. Skype has been around a long time. Very easy to use, built-in recorder. No fuss, no mess. So if you want something simple and free and talk more than an hour, you may want to check out Skype. Another one I've tried in the past is Jitsi Meet. This one is also easy to use. Last time I tried this, the quality was hit and miss. It's very easy to use. It's free. I don't believe there is a time limit. I believe if you have a Dropbox account, you can also try the recording feature with this, and the file is saved to your Dropbox. Microsoft Teams, of course, Microsoft also has Skype. I used this once. I thought it was okay, meaning that I thought it was easy. This also has a time limit of 60 minutes. Participants, wow, 100. So this isn't bad if your meetings or family gatherings or whatever are short and you want to have a lot of people on board, and 60 minutes may be enough for you. Why not consider Microsoft Teams? Again, if you have Windows 11, I believe this is built in. All you have to do is sign in. So why not give this a try? If you have any others, let me know in the comments below. Take care.